package is coming from Nigeria to Italy, from Italy to my house. What's up, guys? It is my friend, makeup artist, that brought this package for me, Julia Bean. I'm going to tag her on this video, guys. Oh my God, please everyone help me to appreciate her. She went to Nigeria this December. So when she was coming, she said she's going to bring something for me. I should measure what I need. Oh my God, she's so nice. She's really nice. So this morning, I woke up, I see that my package has arrived home. Let's see what is inside this package. I cannot wait, I cannot wait, I cannot wait. Inside this, oh my God, Abby. This is, thank you so much, sis. I really appreciate. Oh God, may God Almighty bless you, bless your family, bless your generation. Juliet Bean. Oh my God. Oh my God. Help me to appreciate her, guys, please. I'm going to tag her on this video. It is not easy for someone to travel to Nigeria with her family. Then when they are coming back, they will just call you to ask you, what did you need? You know? Oh God. I have love. People love me. You see, people love me. A lot of people love me. It is good to be good, guys. It is good to be good. Let me open it. Let me see this package. Let's open, let's open. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh my God. Let me. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know, she's a makeup artist. She's the one that make up me this December, my wedding and my anniversary. So she asked me if I need anything makeup. This is my makeup stuff. Okay, let's do it. Oh my God, spices. She brought me spices. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Spices, different kind of spice. Oh my God. I beg. See, I go bust tire today. I go, oh, this is my hair. Chai! Oh, cuckoo! This is my hair. Oh, no. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Good. Abby. Another hair. Although I have a back, but this one is long. This one is long. Oh my God. This is my gari. Yeah, gari. This is gari. Oh God, oh God, oh God. This is banga. I think that is banga ingredients. Yeah. Fresh one. Whoa. See fufu. She brought me fufu. She brought me fufu. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mona, see fufu. See apple from Nigeria. Shine. Thank you, sis. Thank you. See apple. See apple. See apple. So let's open this castle. Let's open this castle. I tell you, I go shock una. Here is my scissors. I go shock una. Oh God, yeah. Hey God, yeah. Hey God, yeah. Julia B, thank you, Mama. Okay, let's open the parcel. Guys, see coconya. Oh, banga, fresh banga. Oh my God. Guys, see fresh banga. See coconya. See coconya. Oh my God. Chai. When I see coconya, see stuff now. Oh, see coconya. Oh, I really miss this. Apple from Nigeria. video everything and send it to you guys. Sis, thank you. Shay, I beg, no time to waste time. I need to go prepare now. Hey, cocoyam, banga, fresh banga. Oh God, yeah. Thank you, Mama.